What's going on, guys? So today I got a nice little package through the mail from my favorite website to buy used Mustang parts because they are always the most legit, in my opinion, myself. That is American Muscle. You cannot go wrong with them. They have all the right parts, all the right pieces, and item numbers and parts numbers, and excellent coverage and customer service. So I just wanted to go show you guys it's just a little visual change that I'm gonna be doing to the car. As you can see, this is my old shifter knob. It's already pretty beat up. I've had it since I got the car, and it's such a simple switch to do, and it just changes the interior drastically, in my opinion. You cannot go wrong with spending $20-$30 on this retro shifter knob. And since I live in the beautiful state of Florida, these metals get ridiculously hot. So I figured, you know what? I should just change it. And got the package today, and that's exactly what I'm gonna be doing. So let's see how this works. So I'm assuming it's just an easy twist off. Nothing too crazy. Yeah, there you go. And these wires, for those of you who know or don't know, these wires are actually because this version of the Mustang, the basic 5.0 of 2013, does not come with Bluetooth or none of that. It actually comes with an aux cable or aux plug-in, and that plug-in is actually in here, which is a little far away from where you could put the phone holder. So I got this extremely long one, and I decided to wrap it around here so it doesn't bother me as much. So that's that. And let's see how this goes on. Let's see here. Somewhere like this. So I'm assuming it's like this. Little things, little visuals that change the whole car. I should have done this as soon as I got the car, but I was too concerned with fixing mechanical stuff first and upgrading exhaust and tuning and all that good stuff. You know, speed first, mechanical first, then visual. In my opinion, some people do the other way around. Some people like the visual instead of, you know, the reliability and the maintenance of a car. But to each their own. I'm not judging anybody, but like I said, I just decided to do mechanical things first, and here we are. Awesome. That is so cool. Look at that. Loosen up a little bit, and I think I tighten it up too much because the numbers are not aligning with the full tightening of it. Oh, interesting. Always run into something, so always be prepared. Let's see here. There we go. It's nice and loose. Let's put this bad boy back in. And there we go. No, not yet. Huh. Let me put the phone down for a second. Alright, guys. Should be it right there. Maybe loosen up just a little bit. Right. There we go. Look at that. Changes up the whole car. It's pretty cool. It's awesome. It's not going to be burning hot anymore. This one, which is, even now, it's extremely hot. And it's pretty beat up. So that's it, guys. Little things. Next thing I think I'll be doing is perhaps changing the trims of the steering wheel or the steering wheel itself. As you can see, it's a little scratched up. And I guess re-leathering. I don't even know how to say it. Just putting the leather back on the steering wheel. That'll be the next thing. Steering wheel. And yeah, stay tuned for that.